Today I'll be showing you just how simple it is to install one of these Reese hitches on any 2001 through 2007 Volvo S60, V70, or V70 cross country. This is a V70 cross country, but like I said, underneath they're all going to look pretty much the same. And you can do this without a lift, obviously. You can also do this without any air tools. I will be using both today just to simplify the process for me. But all you'll need is a 17mm ratcheting wrench and the hitch. So let's get started. So we are underneath the car and we've got this thing sitting here. And let me just show you how easy this is. On the passenger side, you're going to have these two bolts here. I hope you can see those. And you're going to remove the tow hook. That's what this bracket is. So you're just taking that off. And you're going to reuse those bolts. So no big loss there. Over here on this side, that's a little tighter. So the bracket is also where the rear muffler hanger hangs off of. So you will be reusing that one. But that's okay. There's enough room to hopefully slide this thing up in there according to the instructions. So let's go ahead and remove those. Those are all 17mm. And hang on to everything in case you ever want to go back to stock. Okay? Okay, hopefully you can see that, but this is the passenger side. Again, we've just taken out where the rear tow hook goes and reused the two bolts, so that was fairly easy. And then we come across here, and I did want to point out that on this Reese one, and this is kind of nice, that no modifications to the bumper. Didn't have to cut any of the bumper plastic, so that's kind of nice. You know, some of these you have to notch out a spot, and yeah, it's just a pain in the butt. She just doesn't want to focus today. Anyway, moving along. This one a little trickier. I don't want to turn sideways. There it is. So you do need to hang on to that bracket. It was a little easier to kind of. I didn't take it all the way off. I just pushed it way over to the side and slid the bracket up behind it, lined up the holes, and reused those two bolts as well. So that's it. I'd say install time with a lift was less than 10 minutes. Without a lift, maybe 30 minutes most. Without air tools, about 30 minutes probably. If you like the video, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Take care.